Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a onion tomato chutney in a uh, authentic style, guys. I'm not going to grind it in the blender today. I'm going to use the stone one. So let's start the recipe. Here I chopped some shallot and here I took 2 tomatoes. Take a kadai. Here I added 1 tablespoon of oil. In this, I'm going to add the urud dal. So here I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoon of urud dal. So we have to roast this urud dal in the oil for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes light brown in color. And in this, I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoon of chana dal. So we have to dry roast all these things together, guys, until we get the nice aroma. So this is the best chutney for idli, dosa. And in this, I added 5 to 6 red chilies, guys. So we have to roast all these things together. And after adding the red chili, here I added the shallot and the chopped tomatoes, and we have to cook all these things together for 4 to 5 minutes. And in this, I'm going to add some salt, how much salt you want in your onion tomato chutney. And in this, I'm adding the little bit of tamarind, which gives the tangy taste in the chutney. If you don't have the tamarind, you can skip. So I switched off the flame, guys. When it becomes cool down, I will grind it in the stone. So which I will show you guys. So as I said, this is the authentic way of making the red chutney or tomato onion chutney. So yeah, if you don't have that stone, you can grind it in the blender. So this is the stone, guys. So I added some onion and tomato, everything in this thing, and I'm going to grind it. It gives a nice taste, the chutney, guys. Believe me, if you don't have this one at home, please buy. Good exercise for our hand also. And here I'm adding all the things. Can you see, guys, the chutney is ready, and very tasty chutney, guys. Yeah, instead of grind it in the mixie, if we did it in that stone, it gives a nice taste. And it's time to do the tempering. Take a same kadai. Here I'm using the peanut oil, which gives a nice taste, nice aroma in the red chutney. So we have to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and this chutney you can store it in the fridge for 1 week, guys. And in this, I'm going to add the mustard leaves, the mustard seeds, the curry leaves, and the urud dal. So here I added the mustard seeds, the curry leaves, and the hing powder. It gives a nice taste in the red chutney. And I'm going to add this one in the chutney. So I added the tempering, guys. The chutney is ready. And so yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make tomato onion chutney in the authentic style. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye. And I'm going to have this one with the rice.